Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to find QR code in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to find the QR code in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a more button available for us with the three dotted icons. Tap on the more button with the three dotted icons at the bottom right. And on this interface, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there's a QR code icon available for us just beside the pen icon. Tap on that QR code icon at the top right corner of the screen, and you land over here, where in order to find the QR code, guys, at the bottom of the screen on this interface, you can see where it says my QR code. Tap on the my QR code button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and guys, this is your QR code. Now if you want to share this QR code, you'll be able to screenshot the QR code and share it to whomever you like, or you can just let your friends scan this QR code to directly add you to their contact. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to find the QR code in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.